Good morning and welcome to Rock City, up on Lookout Mountain. We're actually in the state of Georgia, so we just drove up here and parked. Good sized parking lot, but already crowded. It's about 10:30, I guess, in the morning. But we're going to go inside and eat at the restaurant that's inside Rock City, and then just continue on into the Rock City tourist attractions. So we'll go on from there. Okay, just I'll give you a little more information before we actually enter Rock City. After you park in that here, let me turn the camera around. Here's your entrance and ticket booth and that. Very pretty in that, but ticket booth right there, and then just past that is where you actually enter the park. One suggestion here, if you go online, it's substantially cheaper to get your tickets online in advance than it is here. And if you do want to visit the Point Park, the Civil War battlefield and that, you can get it here and save $1. It's only $9 a person. But if you do have a National Parks Pass, it's free. So just giving you a little more information to get in here. So we did our tickets online, so we're ready to go in, and we're going to grab a bite to eat first. As we start the entry to the park here, got a few waterfalls. Didn't shoot those, but walk down definitely steps not mobility friendly.
It looks fake. Feel the temperature drop?
Like decorated.
Is
this one part where these two really big boulders like next to each other?
Yeah. Looks like toes sticking out. I'm gonna call this one the Toes Rocks Formation. Trail is all favored. Stone bridge ahead. Temperature difference just drops 10-15 degrees as soon as you go down those stairs. Obviously they have this all lit up at night. It's probably gorgeous. Okay, one suggestion, don't eat before you get to Needle's Eye. This is narrow. All the way up. I'm sure these rocks are very clean from the bellies that rub them every day.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Okay, coming out of Needle's Eye. And we've got sighted a gnome.
Got a gnome fighting. Or as Jay would say, a troll.
The little tiny pond down. And we're coming up on what appears to be mushroom rock. Beautiful little private garden. Another gnome in the shelter. And here appears to be mushroom rock.
There's a little gnome up here. Isn't that fun?
Oh, this is so pretty.
And continue on the trail. There are lights throughout the whole park. Not sure how well the pathway's lit, but the vegetation, that's all lit up. There's electrical cords kind of all over the place. And here's one of the notables in the park is the red door. Okay, going into Coblin's Underpass. A lot of different vegetation plants here. And you need to duck. Ooh.
Sorry, I did say anything. I did say, Jack!
Ooh. Kind of looks like the catacombs in Rome. And the other attraction here too is Lover's Leap. There's Rock City on the barn roof down there. I'm assuming Lover's Leap earned its name for a reason. Because actually, if you take a look at the map in the little barbecue restaurant as you come in the entrance to the park, they've got what appears to be the original layout of the park that the people originally laid out. They were cutting in walkways, but there were obviously no guardrails, no walls of any type. This Lover's Leap was just that flat rock without the walls or railing. So, needless to say, any little misstep, your history. And this is right by Lover's Leap. There's, I assume that stream I was in before, where it's exiting and falling way down.
North Carolina.
These houses over here that overlook that.
Yeah.
And it's not foggy.
So here's where you can see 7 states. And this will be hard to see because of the glare. Alabama 25 miles, Georgia, South Carolina 80, North Carolina 50, Kentucky 120, and Tennessee half a mile.
Look at it up here, buddy.
Wait a minute, go look right here.
Wait, look at the bird right here. See the bird flying right here?
And you can see in the picture here, no railings at all.
Come here, buddy. Look. Go down here and look.
So there's another cafe right here as well that you can eat at. Actually, it was recommended, but we were too hungry, so we ate as soon as we came in the entrance. But they kind of recommended this cafe over the other one. More variety. And again, just a beautiful park. And again, if you find this video helpful and entertaining, please like and subscribe to Cruising Campers. I would appreciate it. And I'm going to end a video here. I think it's kind of the last thing. We're under the cliff passage and a beautiful waterfall under a little shallow pond. And right out from the beautiful view. We'll catch you on the next video.